Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sneha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. And in this video, actually this video is gonna be very interesting for you all because I am gonna share signs with which you can identify that you have kind of spiritual connection with someone, or if this someone has not come in your life yet, you can know these points and search, and when this person comes in your life, you will know that okay, this is the person I have kind of spiritual connection with. Okay, because guys, a connection made in this 3D world and a connection made out of these 3D worlds are different. So there are so many signs with which you can identify, and this is not only for lovers or romantic partners, this is for friends also. Okay, you can be soulmates, you can be twin flames. Okay, so the first point, when you meet at first with this person, it will instantly strike in your mind, okay, this is the person, this is the one person I want to spend my life with. Okay, this is a very important person. Even in first meeting, or you talk, you are talking first time. Okay, but this is the person you want to spend your life with, and you don't know why. This is a weird kind of feeling coming. Okay, now second point, when you are in a relationship or kind of going on in a friendship, you will have a strong sense of intuition. Okay, strong sense that what this person is doing, okay, what this person is going through, okay, what this person is feeling, what their emotions are, even if they are not present right now, this. Okay, now third is you feel very safe. Okay, one question, how you feel when you are having a time with your family or your brothers and sister, when you are present with them, you feel safe emotionally and physically, that they cannot harm you. The same goes with your spiritual partner. They can be a friend or lover. You are so emotionally safe and so physically safe that yes, this person will never harm you. This is a sense comes from inside. Okay, from your soul, I can say personally. Okay, now there will never be any kind of anxiety of or fear. And what kind of anxiety and fear I am talking about, because this person, so that this person will never abandon you. That kind of anxiety, fear or worry will never come when you are in kind of spiritual connection with someone, that they will replace you. Okay, maybe anxiety or fear, tension can come that this person is going through this emotion, I have this intuition. So this kind of fear can come, but not that kind of that this person will abandon you. Okay, now next point is you will feel their energy 24/7. Okay guys, even if this person is not present, you can feel their presence. Okay, that they are around you. It is their soul's energy. Okay, because they can be your soulmate, they can be your twin flame. Okay, now sixth, this is kind of similar like third point, that you feel like home. Okay, see, I will give you an example. When you come from work at your home, how you feel? Okay, now I can relax, I don't have to behave in a certain way, I can behave like myself, who I am. I can eat like myself, I can walk like, I don't have to walk like in a certain way. So when you come across this person with whom you have a kind of spiritual connection, you will feel all free. Okay, that this person is home, and you can be relaxed, happy and calm and peaceful, in a peace that now you can behave like you. Okay, yeah, next point is you always defend this person. Okay, you always take this person's stand, because at certain time, what certain emotion comes, goes through in their body, their mind comes in their body and mind. Okay, so at that time, that what they are actually going through, so you will always take their stand. Okay, you'll always defend them. Okay, now eighth point, this is the eighth point. Next point, you will feel always free of doing whatever you like, and you will always set them free, that whatever they like, they can do. Okay, so this is a kind of freedom you have when you are in a kind of spiritual relationships, spiritual friendships, spiritual connection, okay, with your soulmate, twin flame. You both feel free in each other's company, okay. Now next point, yes, you have kind of strong trust and loyalty between each others, okay. As I said, you cannot have kind of anxiety where you both think that the other person will abandon you, okay. You have kind of loyalty for them, they have kind of loyalty for you, and you have a strong trust. There is no trust issue, okay. Now next point, this spiritual connection, when it happens, and when it happens with you, you will feel that that this person cannot abandon you, and it is you and only you, and it is them and only them. They will never abandon you, you will never abandon them, even they come across another person in their life, but there is a special place for you, okay. They cannot forget you, and this place this place will never be given to anybody else, okay. This is a connection you will have with that other person, okay. And you will know this, and you will trust them blindly that yes, they will never give my place to anybody else, okay. Yeah, next point is, you will never need to you will never be needing to explain your emotion to this person. Even if you don't like something and you are silent, this person understands you, that why you are silent, why you are not talking, okay, what has hurt you, okay. Now this person knows everything. You don't have to explain anything to your spiritual partner or friend, okay. They know, you both know actually each other, that what your person is going through, okay. If they are sad, you will know. If you are sad, they will know. If you are happy, they will already know that okay, this will actually make them happy, okay. This and this will actually make them angry, this will make them emotionally hurt. So you both know each other, and you don't have to explain your emotions to each other, okay. Last point, even if you fight with each other, still you will want to be in their company. Still you will be like, okay, I don't want to talk to you, because it happens because of the different belief system and the upbringings we get in this 3D world, that sometimes the thoughts contradict with each other. But still, because of this, maybe you fight with each other, but you will be okay, I don't want to talk with you, I don't want to see you, but sit here, I want to feel your presence, okay. This is a kind of feeling you will get when you are in kind of spiritual relationship with a certain person, okay. So these are the points. I will explain you again. First point is, when you first meet them, you will know that this is the person I want to spend my whole life with, okay. Maybe it can be your friend or your lover or your romantic partner. Second, strong intuition. Third, you will feel safe emotionally and physically. There will be no anxiety about them abandoning you. Now strong emotion, yes, no, strong energy. I can say emotion, because when you feel their presence, there will be a strong emotion, that a happy, a positive emotion, that yes, they are present, okay, even if they are not present, okay. So yes, strong feeling of them being present even if they are not. Then you will feel like home. You will feel comfortable, that you don't have to behave in a certain way around them. Now next point, they will always defend you, take your stand. You will always feel free of doing whatever you want. They will not have any kind of trust issue with you, or you will not have any kind of trust issue with them, okay. Now you will sense that nobody can take your place in their life, okay. Yeah, next is, you don't have to explain your emotion. They know already, okay. Now last one, you will even if you fight with them, you will always want to be in their presence, and they will always want to be in your presence, okay. These are the signs if you have in somebody else, and if you feel that these are the signs you are actually experiencing with somebody else, and this is a sure sign, don't feel that this is very weird. These are the sure sign that you are actually experiencing a spiritual connection, okay? And if you have not met right now, then these are the signs with which you can identify a person with whom you can have a spiritual connection with you, okay? I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much.